Today's going to be an awesome day. We're flying from here in SoCal to the mountains. Hour 45 minutes up in the air. Going to be a gorgeous flight. 41,000 feet. Come sit right seat with me. Be my co-pilot. Let's go flying.
Smoke. Left engine fire. Right engine fire. Forward baggage smoke. Left engine fire. Right engine fire. Landing gear. Landing gear. TOS. System test okay.
Alrighty, welcome aboard everyone. Good morning. Let's get this show rocking and rolling. Parking brake is set, AC is off, we got 28 volts. We'll try number 1. Use the fuel. N2 light off. Looking good. Alright, relays out. Good rotation, good start. Relays out.
Ground, good morning, citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot at Millionaire, ready for taxi.
Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, runway 15, taxi via Bravo, advising of information Zulu.
Alright, Bravo will pick up Zulu for 2 Romeo Foxtrot, thanks. Alright. Clear left, clear right.
Ground, Flagship 593, Millionaire, taxi with Zulu.
Great service here from Millionaire.
Flagship 593, Burbank, ground runway 15, taxi via Bravo.
Via Bravo to 15, Flagship 593.
Alright, I gotta say, Millionaire Burbank, 10 out of 10 service. Ron and his whole team here just do a fantastic job. Really just a wonderful job. Oh, damn it, I forgot my cookies in the FBO. I took the bag and forgot the cookies. Damn it. Alright, well, hopefully they have cookies in Centennial. Alright, taxi light's coming on. Let's go. Damn, that sucks. Alright. Beautiful.
Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, wind 1405, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 15, citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, thanks. Alright. Heats, lights, everything's looking good. Engine instruments are clear. Let's go flying.
Flagship 593, Burbank Tower, waiting IFR release.
Flagship 593.
Alright, everyone, let's do it. Your left. Stable, takeoff. Pickup power is set and achieved. 2 good engines. Airspeed's alive, both sides, 70 knots. V1, rotate. Positive rate, you're up. V2 plus 10, flaps up. Yaw damper, light level change. Heading. The climb power.
Richard Romeo Foxtrot, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal departure, 2 Romeo Foxtrot. Good day.
Proceed direct to slap, rescind departure.
9,000 direct slap, 5 unit up.
SoCal, how you doing? Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, 2800 climbing to 4000.
November 2 Romeo Foxtrot, SoCal departure, at contact Flemington, 5,000.
5000, 2 Romeo Foxtrot.
2 Romeo Foxtrot, traffic 2 miles south of you, westbound Boeing 737, 6,000.
2 Romeo Foxtrot, we're looking.
2 Romeo Foxtrot, turn rating of 310.
310, 2 Romeo Fox. Alright, 1000 to go, heading 310.
Hello, 110, that traffic's 2 o'clock now, about 1.5 miles, turning north to northwestbound at 5,000.
Good luck, Novella 110.
Exit 799, flight heading up 310, vector final.
310, heading exit 799.
Alright, leveling off here at 5000.
Number 2 Romeo Foxtrot, the traffic's no factor, Flemington, flight level 190.
Climb maintain level 190, 2 Romeo Foxtrot. Alright, let me change.
Exit 799, Flemington, 7,000.
7,000,
Climb power, here we go.
Number 2044, flighting of 260, vector final.
260 vectors for final, 044.
Alright. Got gear up, flaps are
2 Romeo
up.
Foxtrot, turning 340.
Right turn heading 340, 2 Romeo Foxtrot.
Avella 110, approach
340 heading.
134.2.
Lights are good, flaps are up, gears up, pressurization's coming up, we're looking good.
SoCal Cessna A934 Victor 1005, climbing 4005.
And we're just hand flying the airplane right now. We do not have it on autopilot. Just so beautiful. Gorgeous. Looking off the left, you got the coast there, just stunning.
November 8934 Victor, SoCal approach, ident.
Ident for Victor.
Exit 799 approach, 120.4.
2.479.
Number 2 Romeo Foxtrot, no delay through 10,000 if able.
We'll hustle, sir, 2 Romeo Foxtrot. Give them a good rate. 5,000 feet per minute.
Departure reflection at 593, 2.5 climbing 4,000.
Exit 593, SoCal departure at contact Flemington, 13,000, south leaving.
Leaving 3,000 now, up to 13,000, reflection at 593.
Number 2 Romeo Foxtrot, turn right direct slap, resume the departure, contact Los Angeles Center 125.8.
Direct slap, 25-8, 2 Romeo Foxtrot, good day.
November.
Alright, slap. Keep that turn coming. Go into nav. Los Angeles Center, good morning, citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, 13,000, climbing to flight level 190.
2 Romeo Foxtrot, push change, contact Elton 132.5.
32.5, 2 Romeo Foxtrot, see ya. LA Center, good morning, citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, 13.8, climbing to flight level 190.
Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, LA Center, climb and maintain flight level 230.
Climb maintain 230 for 2 Romeo Foxtrot. Alright, 23 is up. We're gonna go put it on the autopilot now. Autopilot's on. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Big Bear off the left. It's just beautiful. It really is. Still kind of got that haze in the valley. So we're going to Centennial, and it's supposed to get pretty gusty with a kind of a bunch of wind changes as the afternoon goes on. Looks like right now it's going to be...
Number 2 Romeo Foxtrot, contact LA Center 125.72.
2572, 2 Romeo Foxtrot, good day.
Well, 270, and pilot discretion is 240.
Alright, descend now 270, pilot discretion 240 is on 2190.
LA Center, good morning, citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, 18.6, climbing to 230.
Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, Los Angeles Center, climb maintain club 410.
Climb maintain 410 for 2 Romeo Foxtrot, thank you. Alright, 41. Love it.
Last check-in taken was at United 2372.
Beautiful. So it's kind of cool. On this route of flight, we're going to be flying
United 2372.
directly over Las
Center.
Vegas, which is kind of cool. Got a good buddy of mine, Mr. Vegas Flyer, who lives in Vegas. We'll be waving to him as we fly overhead, and then making our way kind of over the over the Rockies, and then
Center,
kind of going right into Centennial. So that'd be cool.
132.62.
3262 down today, 53 today.
So if you're enjoying the video, the greatest way you can show support to the channel is hitting that subscribe button down below, hitting that thumbs up so we get pushed to the YouTube recommendation engine, and hit that little doorbell so you do get notifications when I do post a video. Really appreciate everyone's support, so thanks so much for watching the video today. Right there, the wind, you can see it's 294 at 39.
Skywest 3282, contact
So
LA
as we
Center,
make
132.62.
as we make the turn over Yappy, we should get some of that nice tailwind chill.
Center Delta
We're looking forward to that.
Delta 2013, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Just send in here, respond for checking in 20 and a half or 230.
Delta 2013, climb maintain, follow 330.
The 330 Delta 2013.
One thing here on the on our MFD, which is kind of neat, you can kind of see the departure that we're on.
United 596, contact LA Center,
But
134.47.
you can see it's keeping us away from these shaded blue areas and red areas.
ExoJet 765,
And
checking in
that's
450.
because this is all military,
ExoJet
a lot of it's
765,
military
Los Angeles,
airspace,
Center, Roger.
so they want to keep IFR traffic away from where they conduct military
November
training.
568, Delta Romeo,
things like that. So
November 568, Delta Romeo, contact LA Center,
It's,
132.62.
3262, good day.
that's kind of why it keeps us to the east of that, south and east. We got Edwards.
Horizon 2190, contact
Down
LA
there.
Center,
Edwards Air Force Base.
134.65.
There's a bunch of
3465,
military
Res
stuff.
2190. Good day.
Delta 2013, mid-altitude correction, climb maintain, follow 290.
All right,
Let's see what the
290.
weather's doing in Centennial right now. It's already gusty, 170 at 18, gust 26, so a little sporty. Got scattering, towering cumulus clouds at 5,000 feet. It's going to be bumpy, so we're going to have to put our seatbelts on for that. It's already warming up to 20 degrees Celsius.
November 2, Romeo Foxtrot, at mid-altitude, maintain flight level 330.
Okay, we'll stop at flight level 330 for 2 Romeo Foxtrot. All right, so we're stopping at 33,000 feet now.
November
All right,
600,
1,000 to go.
Golf Alpha, contact LA Center, 133.55. Also traffic 12 o'clock, westbound, 1,000 feet above, you'll see Brer.
Okay, 600 Golf Alpha, frequency is going to be 133.55.
All right, so
and we're looking for that traffic.
we'll turn off the cameras now and talk to everyone as we make our descent into Centennial. Should be a good one. So we'll talk to everyone in a little bit.
The lift to be a direct full southwest.
All right,
public
we are
right
back.
Turn 10 mile away.
It is
Just
getting
expect clearance,
busy
1945.
coming into Denver. There's some storms that have popped up, so they are having a definite hold into Denver International Airport. Centennial has now got pretty backed up apparently, so we're on a delay vector for
November
sequencing.
2 Romeo Foxtrot, clear direct Lamo.
Left turn direct Lamo to Romeo Foxtrot.
And November 2 Romeo Foxtrot, level in 2 minutes or less.
2 minutes or less, we'll be level at 270 for Romeo Foxtrot. All right. Left turn direct Lamo 270. Activate nav.
Ampersand 1402, you mind if we start slowing to holding speed now at 230?
Father 1402, affirmative speed
So
is
we're
your
gonna
discretion.
hustle down here. Everything ready to go.
ExoJet 775, descend and maintain flight level 320.
But we'll start getting the descent checklist up here and be arriving here shortly. So
November 2 Romeo Foxtrot, contact Denver Center 119.85.
1985 to Romeo Foxtrot, good day.
Today.
All right, descent checks. Windshield defog is not required. Pressurization is set to 5885. That's a landing field elevation at Centennial. Altimeters not yet. Exterior lights are good. We're coming in on the ZOMS 3 arrival today. Denver, good morning, citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot 27-3 descending to 270.
2 Romeo Foxtrot, Denver Center, roger.
Alright. We'll go ahead here and get the ATIS via voice. See if we get it.
Delta 2376, are you here?
2992, check density altitude. Peak winds 170 at 37, time 1824 Zulu. Field approach is in use, landing and departing, runway 17 left, runway 17 right, 102 weight also available. Notice airmen use caution for simultaneous operations to closely separated parallel runways. All departures advise ground control when run-up is complete and remain on ground control frequency until advised. VFR departures advise ground control direction of flight. Low-level wind shear advisories are in effect. Multiple construction cranes in the vicinity. Hazardous weather information for the area available on flight service. Advise when it is for contact you have information India.
2376, it'll be published feeds because you're clear Denver via direct T-bar.
Centennial Airport information India. Automated weather observation.
Alright, India is good. Alright, we got India 17 left, so we'll put performance landing data. 17 left. Winds all auto-populated, landing configuration. Flaps 35, the NAIS will be off. And 97 knots is our final approach speed. We have 10,000 feet available, and we need 2,500 feet, so that's good.
November 2 Romeo Foxtrot, descend and maintain out of a 230 at least 2,000 feet a minute for traffic.
You got it down at flight level 230 and 2,000 feet or better, 2 Romeo Fox.
Delta 2376, contact
Alright, it's cold out. We're going to put the engine ATI switches on for now. Start warming those inlets up. Again, that's just taking hot engine bleed air and basically blowing it around the engine cowling so it doesn't ice up. There's also some probes and some other things that we do not want to get iced up, and that also heats those. Alright, we'll start getting the weather radar up here, so we'll get weather radar. Turn this on here. Weather, auto tilt it.
KOS 5154 Denver.
Got 5154, just got here, leveling 270.
KOS 5154, turn 15 degrees to the left, vectors for T-bar, descend and maintain flight level 230.
15 degrees left, descend flight level 230, Scott, 5154.
Hello, Denver, jet 775 with you and hold at left 300.
Alright,
Jet 775 Denver Center, you'll join the arrival on your inbound leg, descend and maintain flight level 250.
Messages are good.
Okay, descend 250 and join the arrival on our inbound leg, exec jet 775.
Actually, exec jet 775, check that. Make a single right-hand turn T-bar, descend and maintain out of a 250.
Okay, single right-hand turn T-bar, descend 250, exec jet 775.
November 2 Romeo Foxtrot, descend and maintain out of a 210.
210 Romeo Foxtrot. How are the rides going into Centennial?
I don't have any complaints. There's one ahead. If they complain, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
KOS 5154, you're clear direct T-bar for the T-bar 2
Whoa.
arrival.
Skywest 5154, clear direct T-bar for T-bar 2 arrival.
Everything looks good there, checklist
Exec jet
wise.
775, maintain 280 knots.
280 knots, exec jet 775.
KOS 5154, let approach know you're descending via to 16 right and contact them now 120.35.
120.35, we'll let them know Skywest 5154.
Exec jet 775, descend and maintain out of a 230, you'll go into the top. I'm not sure how the rides are there.
Okay, thank you. We'll descend 230, exec jet 775.
Exec jet 537, anything adverse yet in the descent?
Not yet, but we're going to get in the clouds here in about another 2,000 feet.
Roger.
Here 9204 or 335.
I don't power right now.
Speeding up to 290.
Frontier flight 9204, Denver Center, roger, 290 or greater for station.
290 or better, Frontier 9204.
And approach for 2 Romeo Foxtrot. Moderate to turbulence here at 210. It's a pretty bad ride.
Okay, number 2 Romeo Foxtrot, descend via the Zombies 3. That'll give you discretion to that 15,000 at Zombies to find something better. Descend via Zombies 3.
Alright, just have me the Zombies 3 for 2 Romeo Foxtrot.
Exec jet 775, descend via T-bar 2, 280 till T-bar, runway 16 right.
Alright,
Okay, descend via T-bar 2 and
280 till T-bar 16 right.
thanks. 280 till T-bar 16 right, exec jet 775.
Frontier flight 9204, descend and maintain out of a 250 at least 2,000 feet a minute.
Alright, flight level 250, at least 2,000 feet a minute.
So we're going to 11,000 feet is
Okay,
the
exec jet
lowest.
537, contact Denver departure 128.45.
128.45. As soon as we got into the clouds, it started getting consistent, light, occasional moderate.
Roger.
Alright.
Here, flight 9204. Sounds like the rides might deteriorate when you go into the tops. I need you to keep 290 for as long as you can, and then you can float to 270 or greater.
All right, 290 as long as we can, then 270 or better, Frontier 9204, thanks.
Denver to Romeo Foxtrot. What's the altimeter?
Denver 2 Romeo Foxtrot, I might have forgotten. Centennial is standard 2992.
92, thank you.
And remember, American 1321, 27.9 for 270.
American 1321, Air Center, Roger. Tops are in the mid-20s. You'll probably get moderate chop when you go into them, and that's probably going to follow you all the way in.
Sounds excellent, thanks.
Southwest 1402, descend via T-bar 2, 270, till T-bar or runway 16 right.
So we're going to do here, we'll put on the weather radar on top of the...
November 2 Romeo Foxtrot, contact Denver departure 128.45.
2845 to Romeo Foxtrot, again, moderate turbulence here in the descent.
Roger.
Alright, standard 2992.
Citation 2 Echo Mike, descend and maintain 9,000, turn right heading 350. 9,000 and right turn 350, good way.
Approach, good afternoon, citation to Romeo Foxtrot 168, descending via the Zombies 3 arrival with the Centennial Anus.
Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, approach runway 17 left, proceed direct to the airport, descend and maintain 12,000.
Alright, 12,000 direct Centennial Airport for 2 Romeo Foxtrot. Direct.
Exit at 537, turn left heading 360, descend and maintain 9,000. Come left heading 360, we're down to 9,000, pitch at 537. Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, descend and maintain 11,000, 11,000.
11,000 to Romeo Foxtrot. Alright, 11,000. Alright, ATS is just coming off, direct to the airport.
Exit at 537, turn right heading 060. Coming right 060, 537.
Alright.
Roger, November 2 Romeo Foxtrot, descend and maintain 8,000.
8,000, citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot.
Citation 2 Echo Mike, you have the airport. Confirmed, Echo Mike. Echo Mike, clear visual approach runway 17 left, join the final over the reservoir, just to your left. Okay, we'll join over the reservoir approach, Echo Mike. November 2 Echo Mike, 170 knots or less, contact Centennial Tower 118.9er, we'll see you. All right, 170 or less, and over the tower, Echo Mike, have a good day. Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, reduce speed 170.
170 knots to Romeo Foxtrot.
Citation 2 Tango Bravo, descend to sorry, Beast Jet 2
Idle
Tango
power.
Bravo, descend to maintain 9,000.
Speed brakes coming out.
Down to 9,000, 302 Tango Bravo.
Alright, leveling here at 8,000. So I'm looking for some traffic to follow off our right-hand side. Let's see the traffic.
Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, turn right heading 080.
080, citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot.
Southwest 1328, climb and maintain flight level 230.
Climb and maintain flight level 230, Southwest 1328.
Bonanza 3249er Delta Denver, approach Denver, altimeter 2989er, say destination.
Denver to Park for very good afternoon, Polaris 983, out of 7,000, climbing 230.
Polaris 983, Denver departure, radar contact, maintain 10,000.
At the airport.
We will maintain 10,000, Polaris 983.
Number 2 Romeo Foxtrot, the airport's to your right, 8 miles.
Airport in sight, 2 Romeo Foxtrot.
2 Romeo Foxtrot, cleared visual approach, runway 17 left, contact Centennial Tower 118.9er.
Cleared visual, 17 left, going to the tower, 2 Romeo Foxtrot. Good day.
Jet 2 Tango Bravo, descend.
Tower, Golding, Officer, Chairman, X-ray, switch frequency.
Roger, see ya.
Centennial Tower, good afternoon. Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, squaring up a final for 17 left.
Station 2 Romeo Foxtrot, Centennial Tower, continue Romeo 17 left.
Continue 2 Romeo Foxtrot.
Station 2 Romeo Foxtrot, a citation just landed, reported gain and loss of 5 knots on final, level wind shear.
Autopilot.
5.
Tower Foxtrot, roger that, thank you.
I'm sorry, is that 1,000 feet AGL?
1,000, okay, thank you.
And 1794 Mike has the traffic cross by 12 o'clock.
That's 9 for my
All right.
Roger.
17 left, we're lined up for 17 left.
Vision 954 Charlie Victor, Centennial Tower, 17 left, line up and wait.
You're down.
Citation 4 mile final, be ready to go.
17 left, line up and wait, 4 Charlie Victor, be ready to go.
Number 2 Romeo Foxtrot, traffic in position, Vision Jet.
Vision Jet, all right, 2 Romeo Foxtrot, thanks. All right.
Number 2 Echo Mike, turn left at Alpha 8.
Good old Vision Jet.
Turn Alpha 8, ground 28.
Alpha 8,
We love it.
ground, 2 Echo Mike.
All right, below 161, so we can go flaps 35. We got gear down, 3 green, no red. Flaps 35, no landing clearance, the speed brakes are down.
Number 4 Charlie Victor,
What happened to your way,
11013,
flight
gust 26,
controls?
clear my heading, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 17 left, clear for takeoff, 954 Charlie Victor.
Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, runway 17 left, clear to land, wind 18012, gust 26.
Go land, 17 left, citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot. All right, we're clear to land, checklist completed, we're looking good. There's a loss of 5.
500.
Centennial Tower, Beach Jet 302 Tango Bravo with you, base for 17 left.
Beach Jet 302 Tango Bravo, Centennial Tower, runway 17 left, clear to land, wind 17010, gusting 26.
Minimum.
Clear to land,
Minimum.
17 left, 302 Tango Bravo.
Vision 4 Charlie Victor, contact no departure, good day.
Departure, 4 Charlie Victor. Centennial Tower, Skyline 1794 Mike, entering left downwind, 17 left.
That's 94 Mike, extend downwind, number 2 Palm Beach Jet, turning a 3.5 mile final.
I'll extend my
Idle
downwind,
power.
look for the traffic, 1794 Mike.
That was nice, that was really nice. Speed brakes are out. Wouldn't go full grease, that was half grease.
One 1794 Mike has the traffic on in sight.
There's 94 Mike, follow the Beach Jet, runway 17 left, clear to land, wind 17023.
We'll follow the beat jet number 2, clear to land, 17 left, 1794 Mike.
2 Romeo Foxtrot, Alpha 11, ground 1 good day.
Alpha 11 going to ground, 2 Romeo Foxtrot, good day.
Tower, say wind.
Wind 18022, gusting 26.
All right, we're clear of 17 left.
7 left, taxi via Alpha.
17 left, taxi via Alpha Flex Jet 572.
Ground citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, clear of 17 left at Alpha 11 for TAC Air.
Citation 2 Romeo Foxtrot, Centennial ground. Give way to the Challenger on the ramp. That'll join Alpha at Alpha 10, taxi to TAC Air via Alpha.
Give way to the Challenger and then Alpha to TAC Air for 2 Romeo Foxtrot, thanks.
Challenger 1 Delta Juliet, monitor.
Monitor, 1 Delta Jet.
Alrighty.
Centennial ground, Bonanza, November.
Oh, we made it. That was a pretty sporty flight. Hope you did enjoy the video.
Fuel, ADIS,
Thanks again
India,
so much for watching, and we'll see everyone on the next video. Take care.
And no run-up required.
Bonanza 180 Whiskey, Centennial ground. Are you more